This is the pressure for carbonation. So to dispense, I now need to release some of that and bring it down a bit. So first of all, I'm just going to turn it off. Pressure release valve, I'm going to drop the pressure in here. I'm getting the smell of some really nice beer. Okay, nearly at the right. Pressure's a bit low. That looks bright, right? Nice. So, what do you guys think? My first keg carbonated. Fuggles SMaSH. Let's sit down and give this a try. Wow, it smells lovely. Oh yes. Wow. I think we've managed to finally deliver a really nice IPA. It's just got that right level of bitterness. It's you know, nice and cold, nicely carbonated. Wow. Quite simple, you know, there's not a lot to it, but lovely aroma. Wow, we made it finally. Cheers everybody. I wanted to swap the sort of line out, and trying to take this bit off, the peg come out again. This is being a pain. Okay, try again. The reason for this aggro is I want to put a different regulator on. This is the actual one that came with it, and probably fits in the fridge a bit better, as you'll see once it's installed. Second time lucky, all seemed to work this time. So this is going back in the fridge. That's quite a lot of hardware in my fridge this weekend. But we've got the Fuggle Dotter SMaSH at the back and our orange and mango seltzer at the front. This has been going so well. I just wanted to talk about this one while there was still some left. It's gone down very well, as has the new keg. So I guess, you know, start with the appearance. So we do have that nice golden brown colour, a nice fluffy head. Sort of the carbonation has been sort of good, perhaps a little high, but I quite like that. That golden colour is probably about 31 on the EBC scale. The aroma is sweet, simple and hoppy, you know, and perfect. You know, it's I was worried about the type of hops used particularly, but it's a nice level of bitterness with a nice sort of beery, hoppy aroma. You can perhaps pick up just a very faint fruity aroma, but mostly it is just a sort of very pleasant hop aroma. The mouthfeel is good. It goes down very nicely indeed, and that's when we come to the flavour. It has ended up being around that sort of IPA sort of mark, which is exactly what I would have wanted. Not only that, it's very clear, it's very crisp, it's got a nice level of bitterness, and you know the aftertaste is very pleasant. You know you do get a little bit of that bitterness, normal bitterness coming through, but not too astringent. You know, it is just all round gone incredibly well. It hasn't particularly got a strong alcohol taste. I am going to do another type of SMaSH. It is definitely a firm favourite already, and I've only done one. The score for this one, 9 out of 10, based on my experiences so far. This is my 4-litre mini-keg. It has a little bit of SMaSH left in it. Not sure exactly how much, but whatever is left, I am going to transfer into bottles using my counter pressure bottling tool. Some planning in advance is needed. Here's my counter pressure bottler, and this time I think the bung here is in the right place. Problem I had when I was having fun and games with the seltzer a little while ago. So here's our counter pressure bottling tool, and on the one side we have gas. So gas comes in here, it splits. One splits towards the keg to pressurize that, the other splits to the counter pressure bottler. So we've got 50-50 of the gas going that way. The other then is going to the beer line where the beer is going to come in. So far so good. I've also got to replace the beer line on dip tube on my sort of spearhead here because it's a bigger keg, mini keg. So we are, I think, gulp, ready to go, and this time with a little bit more finesse than I did during the seltzer. Well, I hope anyway. No pressure, but I think I'll start with the coffee. Let's bring the pressure down on this. Now it seems with this particular regulator, when I get to a certain point, it actually starts releasing the pressure. You can sort of hear it leaving the regulator. If I turn it down exactly as I have now, you get to a point where it's fine, it's just holding the pressure. But if I just take it a little further, you can hear it exiting, which is completely different to this one here. So either way, we need to let the pressure out because this is carbonation pressure. It's at 24 at the moment, and I need to get it down to well, I need to replace this head. This is a specific head for the beer tap. So let us turn this off because we don't actually care about that, and I can feel it coming out here. And cheers back. So if I help you with this. So this one's going in, that's just sanitizer. We now have all the basic components in place, minus a bottle. There we go. And so the first step, hopefully, is just to set the regulator to dispensing pressure. Hopefully all these seals are good. Let me just do a quick check. I do seem to go through bulbs very quickly, but either I've made a mistake again. I can hear something going on. Yeah, step one, make sure this is off. Oh dear. This time I can hear gas. So gas is just a bit higher than I planned. It's just stopped at 14. Does seem to be all holding okay there. Counter pressure bottle filling. Hopefully this time the slicker way. Let's see how we go. So that's held nicely in there. Check that's off. Right, so our process is gas in, gas off, air out, air, gas in, gas off, air out, beer in, and we just gently not too quickly. Now I can let more air out more quickly through here. This would fill more quickly, but you will lose some carbonation. So just slowly. I'm not actually sure how much I've got left. I might be optimistic with the 4 bottles I've got set up. So, beer off. That was my mistake last time. At least I remembered this time. Now the beer's off, actually releasing some pressure here. Should mean when I remove the bung, we just quick fire in here. Let's see how we go. Nice. Bottle number 2, we are winning. Bottle number 3. So we have 3 bottles of Fuggled Up to SMaSH to share, and 1 for me this evening. Nice. Let me turn that off. We're getting there with the old counter pressure bottling, and this time it's pretty smoothly, really. Thank you for watching.